welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today we will talk about GCP Foundation course, that is Google Cloud Computing Foundation. So this course aims to provide individual with little to no background or experience in cloud computing a detailed overview of concept covering cloud basics, big data and machine learning, and where and all how Google Cloud fit in. This course will start within an overview of cloud computing and then dive deeper into two areas. So cloud computing infrastructure and big data with machine learning concepts. By the end of this course, you will be able to articulate concept around cloud computing, big data and machine learning with the demonstration some hands-on skills. You should also be in a position to access enterprise level Google Cloud content available in Coursera to continue your development, as well as enroll into career readiness programs to prepare for associate cloud engineer certifications. So we will discuss of all 10 modules. This is the actual course map. You can see all 10 modules. The Google Cloud Computing Foundation course consists of these 10 modules, and it is followed by an opportunity to earn 4 different digital cloud Google Cloud skills badges to demonstrate your growing skill set. We start the course by discussing what the cloud is and why it is a technological and business game changer. The second module describes the different ways a user can interact with Google Cloud. Module 3 looks at leveraging Google Cloud resources and serverless managed service to build applications, followed by a module that will address how to implement a variety of structured and unstructured storage models. In module 5, we will learn about different applications managed service options that exist in the cloud, and then we will look at how security in the cloud is administered in Google Cloud. So these are the modules, and module 7 I am talking about the exploration, the building of secure network in the cloud, and module 8 identifies various tools that support cloud automation and management. In module 9 we will discover a variety of managed big data services in the cloud, and we will end with a module that explore what machine learning is, some of the terminology used and its value propositions. So let us look at the learning objectives for each of 10 modules in more details, but we will discuss in next video. So if you like my video, then you can share it and post any comment in my comment section box. So thanks for watching.